Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my hiccuping best pal Logan.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday.
Do you want to ask our fans to do anything? What are they going to do?
Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. Today we are tackling yet another, what most people might consider a challenge, chocolate souffle. Don't let this scare you into having the hiccups. It's actually really not that hard. And this version is not that bad for you either. So what do we have in our chocolate souffle? Well, of course, we're going to actually have eggs, so that's a definite. What I highly recommend is getting one of these guys. This is an egg separator because we're gonna do this recipe in two parts. First the egg yolks and then the egg whites. So this egg separator is super helpful if you're not really good at balancing that egg yolk in the shell in order to get the egg whites separated from the egg yolk. So I highly recommend this guy. So what we do for the first part is separate the egg yolk out, mix it with 1/8 cup, and I used allulose. This is a plant-based sweetener with 0 calories. We actually love this in our household, and I use it all the time as a sugar substitute. We have 1 ounce of unsweetened chocolate, and of course the egg yolk, and I mix up all of that together. So that's one part of the recipe. The second part of the recipe, oh, I forgot the vanilla. I'm sorry. A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla gets blended in with that as well. The second part of the recipe is the egg whites part. That's a pinch of cream of tartar and a pinch of salt, and you want to do that until you get those nice stiff peaks in your egg whites. Then you fold those two together, so a little bit at a time with the egg yolk into the yolk chocolate mixture, and then fold it all together and put it in your ramekins. Have those ramekins nice and greased. I used coconut oil. And goes into a 350-degree oven for about 11 minutes, depending on how hot your oven is and how fast it cooks. It could be up to 15, maybe even 17 minutes. But it should look like it's kind of cooked and well done on the outside, but just a little jiggly on the inside. And that is it. So one of these things that we love most about allulose, and this version is made by Splenda, is that you don't metabolize this. You just basically pee it out. So it's great for people who are keto or on low-carb diets. And it doesn't affect your blood sugar or your insulin level. So the nutrition facts overall for these souffles are about 109 calories each. And I'm going to show you what one looks like in just a moment. There's 8 grams of fat, 3 carbs, 2 fibers, but 5 proteins. Again, 0 sugar. Do you want to see what they look like? I'm just going to move these out of the way because my souffles actually survived a house with a 6-year-old and 2 dogs. I'm very proud of that. I'd ask you to try one, but they're super duper hot right now. But you had one before, right, when I made them, and did you like it? Yeah, they were good, right? And Daddy and I did too. Well, we hope you enjoyed them at home. Don't forget, if you like Logan and my shirt, this time I actually do love squats. Check us out on WeShallDefend.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next week on Food Tip Tuesday. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. You don't have to get
Hello.
That's good.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you. Boom, boom, boom.
You're hurting the ears.
Hey, buddy.
I know. I said I know.
Well, he knows.
Okay, you worried?
You're talking to a child professional here.
All right, child actor, Macaulay Culkin.
You okay? Okay, come on. Hey, come on.
Now we're gonna have to start back a little bit. Please don't lick your elbow while you're being filmed. It's gonna be on YouTube forever.
Yeah.
And when you're 20 years old, I'm gonna show you this video to your girlfriend and how ridiculous you are. That's what I'm gonna do.
I am never gonna get a girlfriend.
I'm now gonna show your girlfriend that video in the future.